IELTS Speaking Sample Question and Answer. Question number 20. Describe something special you want to buy in future. You should say what it is like, when you intend to buy it, and explain why you want to buy it. Possible answer. I have a personal list. Possible answer. I have a personal list, a wish list, you can say, that has many things that I want to buy in future. One such special thing that I want to buy in near future is a personal car. I mostly use public transportation to move from one place to another and to visit my hometown, which is very inconvenient. Owning a car would be a great advantage for me, as I would be able to freely move and visit my hometown more frequently. The car I want to buy is the Fusion hybrid car by Ford. This is a stylish looking car which is also fuel efficient. My preference would be white color. I intend to buy it after 2 to 3 years, as it would allow me to save the money and apply for the car loan I need to purchase it. There are so many advantages of owning a car, especially in the city I live in. Maintaining the perfect timing is pretty hard if you travel in a public bus. You would need to wait for the bus, stay in the long queue for a long, and the frequency of the public buses and the number of people do not allow one to maintain the timing and needs to keep. If I know I own my own car, I would be able to avoid the usual bad traffic and take the alternative roads. Traveling in a public bus is inconvenient and you do not have any privacy in it. With my own car, I will be able to go to my hometown and visit my parents more frequently than I do now. That's the sample answer. And there are some tips on answering these cue card questions. So let's watch the tips. The cue card should be an easy one for you to talk about, as it gives you several options to pick from. You can pick almost anything you want to buy in future. Just highlight the fact that you want to buy it because. Alternatively, you can talk about one of the aged person who is your relative neighbor, because it would be very helpful for you. You had a passion on that you want to buy it. It would be very useful for you and for your family. It would bring you some opportunities. It is luxury item then you wanted to own for a long time, etc. Some of the things you can mention which you want to buy in the future. Number one, a cell or mobile phone, and you can mention a laptop. You can mention a personal car. You can mention a book by a favorite author, an electronic device like refrigerator, television, washing machine, etc. A house, apartment, or flat. You can mention a bicycle. You can mention a household appliance. You can mention a musical instrument. You can mention a sport instrument, and you can mention a share of company. You can mention a machinery devices for business uses. You can mention a paint or portrait. You can mention a rare antique item, etc. So this is the end of sample question answer 20. We will come back with another video and another question answer. Till then, next, goodbye.